Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, not so long ago I bought this 3-box dash camera, and we'll do a review on this later, but Mangoal reached out to me and asked me if I would like to test and do a product review on one of their dash cams. So I thought, you know what, yeah, let's do that, Mangoal. So what I've got here is a box fresh from China, from Mangoal themselves, and we're going to unbox it and we're going to see what this Mangoal dash camera does look like for a Volkswagen Polo car. Now, the thing with Mangoal is that Mangoal basically says that they make dash cameras in line, there we go, Mangoal. So they make dash cameras to basically become like original equipment manufacturer cameras. So yeah, as you can see, the box looks pretty good. It's all sealed. So yeah, let's get the scissors out and let's start unboxing this and see what it looks like. So here we go. So that should give us a rip to get the plastic off. As we can see, definitely is a Chinese company because we've got Chinese here, but also, you know, we've got English over here. So let's unbox this, sliding it off. There we go. I will leave this up here and dropping it down. Here we go. There we go. And it reveals inside the box. Okay, so let's have a look. So when there's an app connection problem, please refer to the instructions. So this seems to be a quick guide. This is to download the Mangoal app to your mobile phone, which will connect to your dash camera. Okay, so that's useful information. Let's have a look here. Okay, so this is basically showing you how to install this dash camera by the looks of it. Now, I'm not too sure if I'm correct. I don't think I have to do this. Oh, actually, here we go. Yeah, so I believe this is the OBM. Yeah, OBD power adapter, something like this. So I think I will have to use this on mine. But anyway, we'll come to that later on. This is simply an unboxing video. So what do we have here? Okay, OEM style dash cam. So this is the user manual. Now that's kind of cool. I wasn't expecting to get a user manual with this. So let's have a look at this. Here we go. So yeah, this is the kind of dash camera that I've got here from Mangoal. And yeah, OEM style dash camera, which is quite cool. So here we go. Yeah, again, detailed information. So this looks like everything that I may have inside of this box. So we'll check that out in a minute. Yeah, here we go. But yeah, I wanna thank Mangoal for sending this out to me to do a product review on. And yeah, let's continue to see what we get. So yeah, we got some zip ties with the OEM booklet. So what I'll do, I will put this back in this box, and then we will continue to see what we've got. Okay. Yeah, so exactly what I thought. Here's the OBM cable here, you can see. This is to help you just take part of some of the interior in order to gain access to it. We've got an SD card. Oh, Mangoal, you've given us 128 gigabytes of memory. Fantastic, Mangoal. Seriously, thank you so much. This is going to be interesting few videos in the future. So let's have a look at this. What we've got here. This is the dash camera itself, isn't it, guys? I know it is. Yeah, look at this. This is the actual dash camera itself. SD card goes in here. This is going to be revealing the actual camera, which is kind of cool. I'll put this back on so it doesn't get scratched. And yeah, that's cool. So that's the front facing dash camera, SD card going in there. So yeah, that's cool. And this is the rear view camera. So Mangoal basically said to me, they said, hey guys, do you want the rear view camera too? And I basically said, yeah, go ahead, give us the rear view camera, we make this all, haven't we? So as we can see here, this is the rear view camera. What does this say? Please make sure the screen is not upside down before installation. Okay, so again, here we go, peel this off. This here is the rear view camera from Mangoal for the model for a Volkswagen Polo. And yeah, so this is going to be interesting, guys, really is. So here we go, got some 3M tape here, which is going to help us with the installation of that. And that is basically it. So let's just tidy this up a little bit. Come on, are you going to fit in there? There we go. Yeah, so let's just tidy this up a bit. So we get the rear view camera, we get the actual main camera itself, okay, and we get the power cables. This is the OEM. In addition to that, let's just make this more tidy on the screen. There we go. Yeah. In addition to that, we get one full manual that shows us everything about this product, and we get information how to power on the device, and we also get information on how to download the app. Now I've already downloaded this app, so I don't have to download it again. But yeah guys, there we go. That is unboxing the Mangoal dash camera for a Volkswagen Polo. Hope this video helps, and again, big shout out to Mangoal for sending this out to me. And I will get this installed, and I will do a product review on it in due course. And I will also upload some test video of this too. Oh yeah guys, don't forget, you also get a 128 gigabyte, there you go, SD card from Mangoal themselves. So yeah, really cool to see this stuff. But yeah guys, I will see you all in the next video, and thank you for watching.